Grabe ang init ngayon, di ba? Pero don't worry guys, kasi may bagong tambayan dito sa San Nicolas na perfect pang refresh ngayong summer.
Introducing Letty.
Social pakinggan, ano? Letty offers a fresh lineup of specialty drinks na suwak ngayong mainit na panahon. Gawa sila sa high-quality ingredients, freshest fruits, at personally selected tea leaves. Kaya siguradong hindi lang masarap, healthy pa. Unang tikim ko dito ay tried their Ampalaya Lemon Tea. Sabi nila healthy daw. And to my surprise, nag-enjoy talaga ako. Hindi siya yung typical na mapait na ampalaya. Balance yung lasa, refreshing and light. Syempre, bumalik ako for more. This time, I tried their avocado nectar. Ang creamy, ang sarap, and healthy rin. Sakto pang recharge after a long day. Letty also thinks of the ladies. May menstrual hot drink sila, perfect para sa mga days na kailangan ng extra comfort. At dahil health is wealth, Letty is giving 10% off sa lahat ng medical practitioners. Pero wait, there's more. Panoorin nyo to, ipakita nyo lang itong video na to sa store, instant 10% off din kayo. So sa mga health conscious, don't miss out. Visit Letty here in San Nicolas. Stay fresh, stay healthy, and enjoy your summer. This is Jancy. See you around.